Hello, this is Mshbell, finally back with another video. Today we've got the long-awaited sound effects pack part 2, considering how well my first one done, which got over 500,000 views, which is ridiculous. I don't even know how it done that well, but you know, it was inevitable I was going to make a part 2, so here you guys go. And you know, just to clarify just quickly, firstly, obviously I don't own these sound effects. I just use them simply for my videos, so I'm not claiming that I own them or anything like that. And just to quickly highlight as well, these are non-copyrighted, and what I mean by that is you're able to use these sound effects and upload them to YouTube without getting a copyright strike. Usually these sound effects are like less than half a second, so you're not going to get copyrighted for using like a half-second video clip, okay? So you don't have to worry about that. And I'll also do the 3 different versions, like the video, audio, and the zip file. I'll definitely recommend downloading the zip file because that is the one that allows for the sound effects to be made individually, and then you can just grab them that way. So I'll definitely recommend downloading the zip file. So nevertheless, here you guys go. I really hope you do enjoy it. Definitely leave a like, comment, subscribe. Or no, my outro. I've got to do that. If you enjoyed it, I guess be sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Thank you so much for watching. Enjoy the sound effects, and I'll see you in the next video. What the
Kobe.
You're the last one. Complete the mission.
¡Come los días!
That's right! Get loose, folks! Get loose, folks!
Why you always lying?
Me.
Kill shot!
Here we go!
Kaboom.
I'll be back.